by that. Don't be defeated by what's ahead of you. Be encouraged that there is a road to travel. Okay? Little fingertips back. Fingertips going back, side, back, inside. Great work. Remember, you're in control of everything that happens today, tomorrow, if it's the weekend, if it's a Monday, doesn't matter. Every day, you're in control of it. So I want you to try and be as proactive as possible with what you're doing for your workouts.